The film shows the Liebherr R974C Litronic high-rise material handlers, loading scrap onto a bulk carrier at the port of Tilbury in Essex, England. The R974C Litronic high-rise material handler is a true giant, thanks to its reach, dynamics, and strength. With an operating radius of more than 20 meters at ground level, a 490 horsepower engine and the accustomed reliability of a Liebherr earth-moving machine, it is one of the leaders in the material handling fleet. In addition to scrap handling, it is optionally equipped with a wood, gravel, or electromagnet grapple. The R974C Litronic high-rise material handler has been specially designed for material handling, particularly in dock areas, and is the ideal machine when scrap needs to be loaded onto large ships. The machine has outward reach of 28 meters, depths of -14 meters and reach heights of up to 26 meters. Operating weight is approximately 300,000 pounds. It is powered by a 1049.7 cubic inch D9408 TIE 8-cylinder diesel engine that produces a net power of 490 horsepower at 1,800 RPM.